Hello everyone, John Clark, Ventura College Advanced Manufacturing. We are days away from the start of the fall semester, and I just wanted to send all of our industry partners a quick update about what the fall semester will look like. So, just to let you know, good news, we are running full force this fall. We will be having MTVO2, which is our applied machining class or the introduction to machine shop, manual machining, so on and so forth. We are offering our MTVO4, which is measurements and computations. We're also offering MTVO5, CNC Machining 1, MTVO8, CNC Machine Tool Programming, and MTV15, Manufacturing Processes. Now, these classes will be using a hybrid format, meaning that all of our lectures are going to be done online, while all of our labs will be done face to face. We will be using the CDC guidelines as we meet face to face, trying to eliminate any issues that we could have surrounding COVID. The next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was our fall advisory board meeting. Our fall advisory board meeting is planned for November 4th, and that's going to be from noon to 1. So we're going to do a lunchtime meeting for our fall advisory board meeting. I hope to see all of you there. And lastly, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the apprenticeship program that we've started, partnering with CTMAA, and we have been doing a pretty good job of getting apprentices um, placed, and we're happy about that. And we're still looking for employers that are ready to join that apprenticeship program. I look forward to seeing you at the November meeting. Talk to you soon.